Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chocolate chip cookie mug cake. First, let's gather our dry ingredients. You'll need 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Don't forget 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. This tiny amount is crucial for a light and fluffy texture. Having everything measured out beforehand makes the process super smooth and quick. Now let's introduce the wet ingredients. Melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and combine it with 1 tablespoon of milk. For that classic cookie flavor, stir in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once your wet ingredients are ready, pour them into the mug with your dry mixture. Gently fold everything together until just combined. Overmixing can lead to a tough cake, so stop as soon as no dry streaks remain. The best part is next, adding the chocolate chips. Fold in 2 tablespoons of your favorite chocolate chips, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout the batter for a burst of chocolate in every bite. Now, for the magic. Place your mug in the microwave and cook for approximately 60 to 90 seconds. Keep an eye on it. Cooking times can vary depending on your microwave's power, so start with 60 seconds and add more if needed. Once your mug cake is puffed up and cooked through, carefully remove the hot mug from the microwave. It will be very warm, so handle with care. Let it cool for just a few minutes. This allows it to set and prevents you from burning your tongue. For an extra special treat, top it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a drizzle of chocolate sauce. Enjoy your perfectly portioned, warm and gooey chocolate chip cookie mug cake.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.